This is a Clavis 10 pin or S10. Also seeing it listed as 10S. We use stacked Moki tensioners. And then also this neutral burn flag. This is a number 3. F4 is the tallest. I love that color. That brass collar. Very nice burn. Thank you very much. I'm going to tension this counterclockwise. Check the right first. One was binding. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There, 3 went a little bit more. And a pretty deep false set. I'm going to check the left. Now, they don't feel like they're binding. Try to push one and see. Alright, well there's 2 and 3. Just scrubbing them felt like they had a little bit of play to them, but they seem to be setting. Alright, there was 2, 1 dropped. It's right side again. On the left side feels good. See if I get any kind of rotation out of any of these. Wonder if 1 and 5 are no less. There we go. That thing was just finicky. All right. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, very beautiful. This is the first time I've been able to use these burn flags. Very nice burn. Gorgeous. All right. Let's see if I can get this thing gutted. All right, well, it's got covers. Maybe they come off easily. Maybe they do not. Looks like maybe they're not going to come off all that easily. Really don't want to mess them up. Ooh, yep, they're going to come off all right. I think I was just hitting on the housing. So this is the right. I'm going to put this up top. I always put the right up top just so I don't mix anything up. Do it the same way every time. It's got caps or cupped driver pins. So there was definitely some counter rotation set in these. It looks like they are spooled, mushroom spooled, maybe driver pins. Oh, I hate those. Got a ring locking the plug in place. All right. These kind of got locked together. So there's the cups on those driver pins. These are all going to be the same. I believe they're all going to be these spooled driver pins. Once you start getting down to the last couple, you got to kind of twist the plug to get the key pins out sometimes. All right, now let me see if I can get this off. I don't know. These are a pain. It's just a ring. As the clip, and right there is where the split is, right underneath that tailpiece. Probably going to be, I don't know, maybe this won't be as bad as others that I've fought with in the past. Actually, it looks like it's going to be very easy. Never mind, I don't know what I was talking about. That was very easy. I've had such trouble with that style in the past for some reason. Alright, so there's the plug. There's no milling or anything. Tiny little plug though. And housing. Alright. Oh, shoot. I could have done without doing that. Get that off of there. More mishaps. Alright, here's all that spool driver pins. 10 of them. Alright, that is a Clavis S10. And that is a fancy burn flag.